just got my Amazon Prime package. Y'all know what it is. Smile. I'm not really so happy because it was supposed to get here. So Amazon, y'all get a Prime upside down. But anyhow, I gotta go to my car, y'all, because my coolant cap is stuck in the tank reservoir. And so I can't take it up out there. And I could take it to a mechanic, but I'm one of them bitches. I'm hard-headed. And I got this. But, yeah, so now, it is. I thought we parked down here. Oh. Well, we over here by the car right now, so I'm going to show y'all the inside of it when I get to it. This is what I mean. Oh, shit. I didn't put these nails on. Ooh. Hold on. I'm going to be back.
Melted it down and then... So you melted it? Yeah, because at first it was coming off. It was right.
Okay, y'all. So as y'all look closely down here, this little tip thing, I feel like that's stopping it from twisting, but I could be wrong. So I'm just using these little pre-cut ply grippy things to kind of chip it away. No, that wasn't it, y'all.
But I doubt it. You better not hurt yourself because I know you.
Yeah. Y'all, she popped it. Yay.
So let me show y'all the mess I'm going through. Y'all see this? Put it on there. I can't get it out.
That's not supposed to come out.
Yes, it is. How you gonna tell me? You want to see the new cap? Let's show them the new cap, y'all.
I used to be a mechanic.
I don't know what.
Y'all, I used to be a mechanic. Oh, yeah, she is, right, y'all? Y'all okay.
Oh, it ain't even record. Oh. So, yeah, I was right, y'all. He was wrong, as always.
Huh?
Parents know best. Remember
Yo,
that this is the old cap. This is the new cap. And the old
don't
one
believe
is so I can get my girl mechanic on.
Y'all, do y'all think she can take this out?
If I could take this out to subscribers by the end of the week. If I could take this out.
If y'all said 1,000.
If I could take this out, I want my subscribers. I don't want to pull it too much because I don't want nothing to fall out. We don't need nothing in the reservoir.
Hey, y'all, she is right. I thought. So I should work with my daddy as a mechanic.
Y'all, do y'all see the magic happening?
Yo, she's not pulling it out.
You see how?
Y'all, I'm finna tell y'all. I'm finna have a new wallpaper on my YouTube channel. It's gonna be an 8. Y'all see our hard work paying off?
It is. It done came up. I don't know what you talking about.
I'm just use the knife. She can pull it out.
No, because I need something to grip it on the sides. Boy, I watched a whole YouTube video on this. How you think I know what I'm doing? YouTube University.
Y'all hard work is paying off.
You got it way on the other side, trying to mess up my work. I see you trying to sabotage.
Here you go. Y'all,
Oh, I see it.
can y'all subscribe to my channel too?
Y'all can subscribe to Kingston Cave.
Look, y'all, look at how hard work that is paying off.
Okay, I was doing fine like I was doing at first, so we just about to try to pull it up from the sides, even though that's probably ain't the right way to do it because it's messing up the shape. But it looks like this side is like real stuck up in there, y'all.
Mama, here you go.
Hey y'all, but he said I wouldn't go get it, but I got it. I want my 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Right here, we're stuck in the reservoir right here. This is the old one, and now I'm about to see if my new one is gonna. Let's see, y'all, and it fits. Yep, it fits. And tight. Okay, y'all, so I'm using this antifreeze coolant 50/50 pre-diluted. You don't need to add water. And we just add just a little bit to our coolant reservoir. We're not putting a lot, just a little bit. And I'm not no mechanic, but I know what I'm doing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Threads, and Twitter. And turn on your notification bell so that you're able to catch the next video. Bye.